human tragedy that is unfolding in Gaza is heart-wrenching, especially the suffering we see in and around the Al-Shifa hospital. I have been clear that the price of justice cannot be the continued suffering of all Palestinian civilians. Even wars have rules. All innocent life is equal in worth, Israeli and Palestinian. I urge the government of Israel to exercise maximum restraint. As the world is watching, on TV, on social media, we're hearing the testimonies of doctors, family members, survivors, kids who've lost their parents. The world is witnessing this, the killing of women and children, of babies. This has to stop.
I was here last month. It was my first time here, and I came here purely because I wanted to support Palestine. I'm here right now because you're not doing your jobs. I'm here to tell you, please do your jobs, that you sit here by your voters. They picked you for a reason, right? I am not even a citizen, and enough is enough. Enough is enough. $100 billion more going to Israel, what is that about? You can't pay your teachers, you can't pay your firefighters, you can't even fill the pit holes on the roads. How embarrassing is that? You are embarrassing. You need to be shameful. Woman sitting here, how are you feeling about thousands of miscarriages happening right now because of the constant bombing? How are you feeling about delivering babies without anesthesia, C-sectioning babies, because there is no hospital? How do you feel about that? Man, gentlemen, sitting on your comfy leather seats, beautiful chairs, right? You have so much power, right? You're cowards. You have no power. You cannot even speak up for yourself. Are you human? Do you have a heart? 10,000 people died. Out of how many of them were Hamas? 60 of them. 95% collateral damage. That's what you call it, collateral damage. If I died next week because I wear my hijab, am I gonna be collateral damage to you? I am a Tallahassee resident. Imagine a hate crime happen next week because you're not speaking up. Are you gonna call me necessary deaths? A hate crime, it just happens. Would you bomb a school here because there's a school shooting happening? Just to kill the shooter in the school? Would you? Thousands of school shootings happened in America. Why didn't you bomb any of those schools?
You have 30 seconds
Because
remaining.
you cared about your white people, didn't you? Huh, Zionists? Am I human enough for you? I can talk. I can read. I learned your language 5 years ago just to be talking to you right now. I don't even have to speak your language. I give you that privilege. I give you my time. It's what? 7 p.m.?
Thank you very much. Your 3 minutes are up. Appreciate it.
I don't appreciate you at all.